Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain some basic concepts about budget and budgetary control. I'm Sadhana AG, working as Assistant Professor in SRS First Grade College, Chitradurga. Budget. CIMA London defines budget as a financial and/or quantitative statement prepared and approved prior to a defined period of time of the policy to be pursued during the period for the purpose of attaining a given objective. So, a budget is a statement prepared and approved, and it is a kind of financial or quantitative statement. The statement is prepared for a particular time because of or in order to attain particular given objective. So an objective is there in order to achieve that objective for a particular period of time. A financial or quantitative statement is prepared, that is called as budget. Characteristics of a good budget. Persons at different levels of management should be involved in the preparation of budgets. That means when various level of management or persons of various level of management are involved in it, so various aspects or various issues can be considered. So that's why various levels of management people should be included while preparation of budget. The targets of the budget should be realistic because budget is for implementation or to follow. So if the targets are not realistic, then cannot be followed or cannot be implemented. So in the budget the target should be set so that they should be realistic and it is possible to accomplish. The authority and responsibilities should be clearly defined. That means which person should do which work or what work should be clearly defined. Authority is the power or right, and responsibility or the duty or accountability one should have. So an individual who is implementing or preparing the budget should have authority as well as responsibility, and it should be clearly defined. A good system of accounting should be followed. So budget is a financial statement. So in order to implement that financial statement properly, the accounting system should be sound and it should be a good system. The employees should be given education with regard to budget. So mere preparation of budget is not helpful. Each and every employee or person who is making use of that budget or implementing that budget should be educated with regard to the aspects of that budget. Then only it can be successful. The actual results should be properly recorded for the purpose of performance appraisal. The budget is a plan. It is only a paperwork. It can only be successful when it can be compared with the actual performance. So only we can know the success of budget when we compare it to the actual performance or actual result. That is why the actual result should be properly recorded. So these are the characteristics of a good budget. Budgetary control. Budgetary control is the process of comparing the budgetary figures with the actual performance for calculating variances in order to control the variances. So budget is the plan, budgetary control is the process of comparing. Here the budget will be compared with the actual performance, and the deviation or the difference, that is called as variance, can be or should be identified. And if the variance is negative, that means if the actual performance is as per the budget, then it is the success. If the actual performance or actual cost is less than budgeted, it is positive variance or good thing. So we thought or we planned that we should spend 100 crore. Actually we have spent is 95 crore. It is a good thing. We have spent less. The cost is less. But if we have exceeded that 105 crore, like that, it is more we have spent, so it is negative variance. So that is why if it is a negative variance, it need to be controlled. So that is why budgetary control is essential. According to J. Batty, budgetary control is a system which uses budgets as a means of planning and controlling all aspects of producing and selling commodities and services. So he defines budgetary control as it is a system, and in this system it is concerned with planning as well as controlling the aspects relating to producing and selling of goods and services. Objectives of budgetary control: to provide a detailed plan of action for a business over a period of time. So definitely budget and budgetary control is concerned with planning and guiding the business that over the period of time. That means in the future, what should be the action of business? It is the first objective. To coordinate all activities of the organization. So to make sure all the activities are going on properly or not. To increase profitability and to eliminate waste. So as the budgetary control aims at or concerned with the variances, okay, negative variance or positive variance, so it controls it. So by controlling the variance, definitely we can eliminate the waste and increase the profitability. To operate various cost centers and departments efficiently and economically. So operating cost centers means it is the center from which or activity from which the cost arises. So those cost centers and departments, maintaining or operating them efficiently and economically. That means in a way such that the costs are reduced. To control the variances, so obvious, very important objective, that is to make sure that the things happen as per the budget. So and the variance. I hope you have understood the concepts. Thank you very much.